What is going on, guys? Today on Project Red, we're going to be installing the camshaft right here. It's Texas Speed. We're also going to be installing the timing change, oil pump, and a few other things. So y'all follow along. Texas Speed. Lube it up first. Gum it up. Then we start sliding again. Lube. Make sure it's nice and lubed up everywhere. You want to get your water pump bolts to help you. Is nice and even. I mean, rotating freely, not stuck on anything.
Does it have to be a certain way?
Yeah, and they'll we line it up with the crank and the cam gear.
Oh, okay. Alright guys, we got the timing chain on, screwed on and everything. Now we're gonna go ahead and put the oil pump.
Before you torque these four down, just snug them up and rotate the crank just to get that pump centered on the crank, and then go ahead and tighten them down and torque them. Alright, so we got the oil pump on and torqued down. We also got that oil pan back on because you have to take it off to be able to get that bolt, the pickup tube
bolt.
This part. Damn it.
Alright, so we got lifters installed. Yeah, everything's good. It's time for the heads. Cleaned up 243s. Put the video on.
Down,
Get them torque specs.
bolt it down, torque it down, and we're off to install the other one.
Got one head down. Onto the second one.
Alright, you want to get on this?
There you go. Let's torque them down. Alright guys, we got both heads torqued down. Now we're on to the push rods and rocker arms.
Alright, so now we're on to the valley cover gasket. I bought some new knock sensors and new oil pressure sensors since I'm in here already. So I just gotta bolt these down, torque them down. We're on to the next thing.
quality stereophonic sound for the home is recorded on 2 separate
And here's our new
each
oil
one
pressure
giving special
sensor.
emphasis to certain sections of the orchestra, as heard from those positions. Now, when played back simultaneously on 2 separate systems, the sounds are blended together to achieve a new dimension in sound impossible to obtain in a monaural recording.
Now we're gonna install our knock sensors. Alright, so we got our new knock sensors right here. We'll go ahead and install these. I think this works. So now we move on to the timing cover. For the timing cover, you want to put some silicone sealant on the corners where the 2 gaskets meet up, just to give it that nice seal. Alright, so I got everything torqued down. Now it's time to put the intake on. We're going to be putting on this TBSS intake with the 92mm throttle body. Alright, so we got the crank pulley on, we got the power steering bracket on, and we're just assembling everything back together. We're going to put the turbo on.
Oh, it's the first thread.
This is the completely reimagined Street Smart 2020 Ford Escape.
Coil packs. Yes, sir. Doesn't matter what size it is. I had them separated like that. That size. Spin. God damn it, that one didn't fall. Huh?
I said, damn.
Did you drop?
Alright guys, we got most of it knocked down. We forgot to record, but we got the coil packs on both sides, the water pump, the alternator. We got most of it done right now. We're getting the radiator and soon the E-fans. Yeah, it's going. Alright guys, we got the radiator put on, throttle body hooked up. Now we're just getting the E-fans on. Almost there, almost there.
Like we get it, and then it goes away right away.
We're losing oil pressure.